Hi, my name is Carrie Frishman. I'm going to be your child's sixth grade math teacher this year. Just a little bit about myself. I've been teaching, this is my 18th year of teaching. I started out at Seabreeze Elementary School. I also taught at the elementary school for Rowlett Academy. I taught second, third, fourth, and fifth grades at the elementary school. And then I moved to Rowlett Middle, where I'm teaching, this is my third year teaching sixth grade math. I'm really excited to meet you and your child this year. A few little other things about myself. I'm married. I have my husband. We live in Palmetto. I have two grown children. My daughter actually lives in Utah. She is going to PA school next year. My son is at University of Central Florida. He's studying criminal justice. And I also have two little fur babies who I love playing with and taking for walks when I get home from school. um, some of the supplies that your kids are going to need this year are they are going to need a yellow folder with prongs and pockets to keep lots of handouts in. They're going to need a composition notebook of some sort. They'll need a glue stick. It's a really good idea if they have a little pair of scissors as well. Lots and lots of pencils and erasers because they leave them everywhere, including my classroom. It's also a good idea to have some colored pencils or maybe some crayons. And one thing I don't have with me is earbuds. They need wired earbuds. They cannot have the AirPods. They can't be wireless. They have to actually connect in. So those are some things, and of course, line paper. We will be using workbooks this year, so they will have a pretty thick workbook that they're going to use. But we also do use some digital things as well. They do have a textbook on. It's called Big Ideas, and it will be an app on their iPad that they can access as well. We are also using Google Classroom. So all of their assignments will be posted on Google Classroom. It works great if they're homesick. They can actually go onto Google Classroom and get all of their assignments. We're going to be showing them how to use all of these. If Google Classroom is new to you or your child, we'll be showing them how to use them at the beginning of the year so they'll be able to access. Another great feature about middle school is that you can go onto Focus, and I highly urge you to go onto Focus with your child and take a look at their grades. You'll be able to pull up all of their classes and all of their grades, see anything that's missing, maybe some things they might need to study a little extra on. So I highly urge you to talk about Google Classroom and Focus and look at that with your child. That is probably one of the best things that you can do for them with math because they have a lot on their plate this year and it's real easy for them to get behind. So if they know that you're going to be kind of going behind them and saying, hey, what did you do today? And let's pull up that, that assignment on Google Classroom and see if you got it turned in. So that would be something that you could really do to help your child this year. Contact information. Email is probably the best way to get a hold of me. I look at my email several times a day, and I promise you that I will get back to you most likely by the end of the day. I do have a Google Voice text, so I'm going to give you that number now real quickly if you want to write it down. My Google Voice text number is 813-563-1891. You can always call me or text me on that number. And again, I will get back to you as soon as I can. I'm looking forward to a great year with your child. We do a lot of note taking. We do a lot of practice. I love that we're having workbooks this year. They will be physical paper. You can take a look at what we're doing with that. We also play games and have a lot of fun as well. So I'm really looking forward to meeting your child, and I hope you have a great evening. Take care. Bye-bye.